Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's the second lecture of our Diwani calligraphy. In today's lecture we will study Ba. So let's start our lecture. And first of all, hold your qalam and draw two measuring dots like this. 1, 2. And similarly, draw 4 dots here. 1, 2, 3, and the last one is 4. Okay. Now we will draw a single line here like this. And by holding our qalam at 90-degree angle, we will start writing Ba like this. It's Ba. Okay. Or we can say Ta, Tha, etc. It's our Ba. For writing it as a Ba, we will draw a single dot here. For writing it as a Ta, we will draw like this. Or we will want to draw Tha, then we will draw like this. Also draw a single line here. And these are the measuring dots and the lines of Ba. Now here I want to tell its moves. And here is its first move, second move, and the third move. Here are 3 moves in our Ba. Now we will move ahead to study the second shape, its first shape and its second shape of Ba. For writing second shape of Ba, we will draw the same measuring dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Start from this portion and like this and like this. In this way. It's the second shape of Ba. Okay. It's the second shape of Ba. Here we will write third shape of Ba. Third shape of Ba. First of all, we will draw 7 measuring dots or measuring dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last one is 7. After that, we will draw here a single line like this. Okay. Now, after that, we will also a single line here in this way. And draw 12 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, we will start writing Ba. Hold your qalam this way. Move it ahead and again towards the back. And like this. Do just like this. Do just like this. It's the second shape of our Ba. From the same shape, we can also draw its third shape by taking it up just like this. We can again write it here without measuring dots. Do just like this. Put your qalam at that lower, and again do just like this. You can see here. I have drawn it without measuring dots. That's our Ba. If we do a dot on it, similarly, it's our Ta and also become Tha. Now, after that, we will move ahead and write half shapes, or these shapes. These all 3 shapes are individual shapes, okay, or ending shapes, okay, not starting shapes, ending shapes. Here are the. Now here we will write starting shapes, STAR. Starting shapes or mid shapes, middle shapes, mid shapes or middle shapes. Now we will write the middle shapes of our Ba. We will start it. We will write it just like this. It's a Ba. Okay. Another shape is it's a Ba. It's another shape we will write here is it's a Ba. This thing. Other than that is it's also a Ba. These 4 shapes we can write them in mid or in starting of a word. So okay, now your lecture is completed. So but I want to tell you some moves in this. It's the first move, this one is second move, this one is third move in this shape, third shape, and if we add this thing, then it's become fourth move and also become the fourth type of Ba. And similarly here is a first move, second move, third, and the last one fourth move. And this one first move, second move, third move. In this one only one move we have. In this one first move, second move, third move, first move, second move. So here our lecture is completed. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day and Allah Hafiz.